Fish Cycle, founded by Albert Hu and Mike Du, aims to protect the environment by producing useful product out of waste. We hope to reduce fish waste and ocean pollution while provide fish oil and fish meal to China. The majority of fish processing in the USA is filleting, and this process produces a lot of waste, including fish bones, organs, and heads. Up until the recent past, fish processing companies, large and small, have been dumping fish byproduct into the ocean, which leads to a serious environmental issue. The government later intervened and required the 5 largest fish processing companies in Alaska to set up a waste processing plant. However, this plant is currently operating at zero to negative profit. Fish Cycle proposes a solution. The solution is to take these fish byproducts and after drying them in Alaska, ship them off to China, where there is a huge market for these raw materials to be made into fish oil and fish meal. This will both resolve the environmental problem and take the burden off of fish processing companies. In addition, we will provide some reimbursement to fish processing companies for their byproducts and provide them with economic incentive to outsource their byproducts to Fish Cycle. We aim to initially acquire 125,000 tons, roughly 10% of all byproducts produced in Alaska annually. The demand for the raw materials and fish oil and meal far exceeds the cost of shipment and processing. These can be sold to the nutrient supplement industry as well as for animal feed. China is the key to solving the problem. In the first 3 years, Fish Cycle will only be responsible for drying and shipping of these raw materials to China, where they will be sold to local processing companies. After 3 years, Fish Cycle will set up its own factory in China, where the raw materials will be processed into fish oil and fish meal and then sold to various companies and industries. In summary, Fish Cycle aims to address a serious environmental issue by taking byproducts produced in the US and making it into useful product which can be sold in China to generate profit for investors. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope you enjoyed this video.